we're going to do a 3-point center pickup with the Renashaw probe. So looking at the reference point of the job, so we've dated the job in the middle, so the center of the circle. So to start with, we go into the program. We need to go into auxiliary process, NC language, number 2. We have some pre-registered programs on the soft key along the bottom. So we're going to look across the bottom to see what program is best suited for our probe. So we've got these 3 soft keys here that have been programmed with generic probe programs in them. So this one here, we've got a 3-point call. So that's what we want to do, because this part's actually going to be round and when we're sending this contour in the outside. So press the 3-point call. It brings up some NC language, which is all your macros for your probe. So down here we're going to check a couple of things. First of all, we're going to check that we're on the right work offset. So we're using G54, so we're on our correct work offset of G54. We then come down and make sure our Z clearance, so our approaching Z, is higher than the material that we've got. We're only taking half a mil off this job, so this is going to do a move to Z30, so that's going to be clear of the job. The next thing we are looking for is what the Z value is it's teaching. So we've got a block delete symbol here, which we can optionally turn this block on or off. So we've got our subroutine call, P9811, which is our program for touching a single face. And we've got a value here of Z2. So it's going to default to Z2 each time. So we don't actually make that Z.5 because we've got half a millimetre left on the material that we will be removing. So we type in here Z.5, highlighting Z2 and alter it to Z5. The next thing we're checking is our S value is correct. Our S value is related to the G54, so S1 is relating to G54, so that's correct. We're then making sure our Z movements there are clear of the job. It's then positioning the tool at XY0. And then this line here, the P9823 is a 3-point call. So the first 3 values are your angle on which it's going to touch. So the probe's going to touch at 45 degrees. It's then going to touch at 135 degrees and touch again at 270 degrees. The next value here is our diameter. So this has got a diameter of 40. So this one here's got about, we need to alter that to 40 millimeters. So we go D40 alter. And as this is a male part that we're picking up, we want it to go across and out the outside of the job. So by putting a Z value in here, it's telling this program that it needs to travel across in X and then down -5. So alternatively, if it was a hole you were picking up, you would put this line above. So for this one, it's at Z-5. Q is our tolerance. So if we're allowing a lot of material in our diameter because of we might be offset slightly, we can increase or decrease this tolerance. So that's Q15, so it's giving it 15 more tolerance before it alarms out and says it hasn't touched the job. Again, our S rating here, S1, is relating to G54, which is what we want it to do. G65, P9810 is travelling up to Z, and then the probe is then finished. We're turning the probe off, and then it will jump back to its main routine. Once we've satisfied that that's all correct, we can then set that away. It then puts our NC language in the top of the program.